Demystifying the phrase pot. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the versatile and sometimes confusing English word, pot. You might think of a cooking utensil, or maybe something else entirely. Let's break it down together and make sense of its different meanings. When most people first hear the word pot, they often think of the container used for cooking. It's typically deep, made of metal or clay, and is used for boiling or stewing foods. Example, can you put the pasta in the pot? Pot can also refer to a container where plants are grown. These can be made of plastic, clay, ceramic, and more. Gardeners use pots to keep plants indoors or to organize them outdoors. Example, that flower in the pot is blooming beautifully. In informal language, pot can also mean belly or tummy. It's often used in a playful or humorous manner. Example, after all that food, I've got quite a pot belly. While it's essential to approach slang with care, pot is sometimes used as a slang term for cannabis or marijuana. Remember, context is crucial. If someone says, he smokes pot, they are referring to marijuana, not the act of smoking a cooking utensil. We've journeyed through the various meanings of pot today, from kitchen tools to plant containers and even some informal uses. Remember, English is full of words with multiple meanings. The key is to understand the context. We hope this video has been illuminating. Keep up your English learning journey, and we'll see you in the next video.